How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. Some of you guys have been asking, is NordVPN worth the money? Well, long story short, it depends on what you're looking for. I think NordVPN is one of the most well-rounded VPNs that are very reliable and consistent in the business today, okay? So, of course, let's just start with the privacy policy. They do have an independently audited no-logs policy, and there are plenty of audits that they have conducted, of course, and they're all available to the public. And if you log into your NordVPN account, you can even view all the independent audits that they've conducted, and they all result in great standing, and whatever issues that come up in these audits are fixed immediately, okay? So in terms of the no logs policy, we have plenty of evidence that they really don't log anything that can be identified. You've got plenty of servers, over 5,400 servers in 60 countries. You're able to easily bypass geo restrictions if you're trying to access Hulu, if you want to just view streaming services from other countries, not just from the States, but all over the world. You've got 60 countries at your disposal right here. You have a feature that's called threat protection, which is fairly new. It replaced the ad blocker, but it doesn't just add blocks, it stops web tracking, it avoids malicious ads and malware-ridden ads and websites, and it will protect your device from infected files before they are downloaded. So it's a pretty useful feature. And if we go down to the features here, you have plenty of features. The NordLynx protocol is definitely going to be the best protocol to use. It's super quick. You have the kill switch and app kill switch, split tunneling, custom DNS for an easy way to change your DNS, and obfuscated servers if you're in a censorship heavy country. Of course, these speeds will be superb thanks to the NordLynx protocol. You have specialty servers, and dedicated IP servers will be available if you switch to OpenVPN protocol. You are able to torrent freely. You've got two specialty servers focused on privacy and encryption. So you have plenty of security features at your disposal to secure your device. So whether you're looking to simply secure your device on public Wi-Fi to make sure your financial information or any sensitive data is protected, you're able to do that very easily with NordVPN with their 256 AES or AES 256-bit encryption, and you are able to easily bypass geo restrictions, whether you're trying to access streaming services or foreign banking accounts or whatever it is, or if you're outside in a foreign country and trying to access, let's say, your bank account from back home, you can definitely do that thanks to the static IP servers. So yeah, of course, if I haven't shown that, if you just switch to OpenVPN, change and reconnect, go back here, and you will have access to dedicated IP servers, okay? So NordVPN is overall, I think, is worth your money, especially if you click the link in the description down below, which will give you an even better discount. The current discount is that you'll be saving nearly $20. Instead of paying, I believe, about $95, you'll be paying $78, and you'll get an extra month for free. So be sure to check that out in the description down below before it runs out. Besides that, you do get a 30-day money-back guarantee no matter which plan you decide to go for. And of course, you'll find a full review in the description down below if you'd like to learn more about the privacy policy, speed streaming, and torrenting capabilities, as well as security and features. Besides that, comment below if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer all of them. Like and subscribe if you'd like to support the channel and stay up to date with everything VPNs and cybersecurity. Thank you guys very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.